You say just now, what is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my right.
No.
कल मैंने इस आर्टिकल पर अपना भाषण शुरू किया था। स्पीकर ने कहा था कि इसे रूल के मुताबिक किया जाए, तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूं। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूं ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूं, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूं। तो
Okay.
माने
Give it authenticate.
सर, दिस
Please
इज
table it.
टेबल इट प्लीज।
Table पर ले.
Please table it. We
स्पीकर
will
सर,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman,
And
Chairman sir,
yeah,
I have
please
authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and...
Sir, I'm once again... No, please.
No, sir.
One second.
Sir.
No, once again. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I'm requesting LOP to please
There is a
restrict
confusion.
himself to the speech of the Honorable President.
Let us not mislead the House. Let us clear the confusion. Today also I had requested both Venugopal ji and Gaurav ji also. We are patiently waiting to listen to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. The matter which was referred to just now, yesterday the chair has given a ruling. On the paper on which he has authenticated, there is table in the House. But what I'm saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday, he can't be quoting same matter again in a pretext of making a reference indirectly. He cannot refer on the same matter. Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Sir, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister is trying to mislead the House. Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir,
Because Parliamentary Affairs Minister
when Honorable
quoted me.
LOP is standing...
Yes, he quoted me.
Sir, when Honorable
That's why
LOP is standing...
I want to give a clarification.
When Honorable
on that.
LOP is standing, you are
Please allow me
speaking.
to give a clarification, sir.
No.
Please allow me. 1 minute.
No, sir, when Honorable LOP is
1
standing,
minute.
you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. There was 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak.
What
He's
is
already
this, sir?
started his speech, sir. He
Sir, what
started
is
his
this?
speech, sir. Let him speak.
Our Speaker, what was the Speaker's ruling yesterday? Don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the Speaker. Sir,
No, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech.
So
Please let
Parliamentary
him
Affairs
continue. He started his
I need a
speech. Let him
clarification
continue his
because
speech.
Parliamentary Affairs
He's
Minister
Honorable-
quoted me.
Honorable
He took
LOP.
my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
Look, this is only for, this house is only for them.
What is
This
this
is not
here?
for us. What is
What
this?
is this thing? What
This
you are
house is
saying?
only for
He
them.
has taken his name. Huh?
No, once again.
And what you are saying?
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your words. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No, 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 no. Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No, no, no. Please allow him to speak. 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 No, no.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? कोई आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the House. There should be a quorum of the House. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker, sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine, which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker,
Rahul
sir.
Gandhi ji,
Chairman,
please
sir. Chairman,
listen.
sir. Chairman, sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking
What
on
are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
Sir, Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
One second. Speaker, sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir, sir.
1 second. Speaker, sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Speaker has
it
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I'm being given, Speaker, sir.
Yeah.
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349, under Rule 349, no. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman, sir. Chairman, sir. Speaker, sir. I am...
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman, sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I'm just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
is
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. 1 second. 1 second, sir. Yes, please speak.
Speaker, sir, our President's address was about the path that India has to chart, the direction in which India has to move. Today, on the world stage, the main issue in international affairs is the conflict between China and the United States. This is central. This is central. This is central to our President's address. This is central, as you have seen, to our budget. And all I am saying is I want to make a statement about what happened between China and India and how our Prime Minister reacted to it. Why am I being stopped? Sir, in Ladakh, in eastern Ladakh, there was a conflict. Our soldiers were killed.
What is this? What is this? You give me ruling now. You give ruling now. You give a ruling now.
I have requested, I requested Honorable LOP to, I requested Honorable LOP to speak. Repeatedly I made a request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President. Now,
There is a-
Manyaniya Shri Naresh Uttam Patel ji. Manyaniya Shri Naresh Uttam Patel ji. Manyaniya Shri Naresh Uttam Patel ji. Sir, I made repeated request. I made repeated request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President. माननीय श्री नरेश उत्तम पटेल जी, आप बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं, आप बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं। माननीय श्रीमती